Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to turn off Twitter-sensitive content setting. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. As you can see, I have my X or Twitter application open here and I want to enable sensitive content, but we won't be using the official application because they didn't give us the option to change the setting in the app directly. But we'll have to use another method for this. What we have to do is to exit the X application and then open our web browser. You can open Safari, Google Chrome, or whatever browser you use. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari and type twitter.com, and then the official website will show up. They still didn't change the name of the website, so we'll open right here. If you have a problem with opening the website version and it's redirecting you to the app, so you will hold it for a few seconds and then open it in a new tab. Once you sign in, you have to click on your profile picture in the top left and the side menu will show up. You have to expand the settings and support section, and after that click on the settings and privacy. Once you open the X settings, the next step is to open this privacy and safety section, then find this content you see, and that's going to open this menu with two different options that we will have to change. At the very top of the screen you'll see this display media that may contain sensitive content, and if this is not checked or enabled, make sure to enable this. We have one more option that we have to change. Open the search settings right here and then we'll see this hide sensitive content option. If this option is enabled, you have to uncheck it or disable it completely, so make sure this is disabled and the display media that may contain sensitive content is enabled. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.